What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can permanently close or delete your Revolut account. So let's get started. Now first off, let's go ahead and open our Revolut app. Once you open up your Revolut app, you will be on your default homepage right here. To close your Revolut account, you would need to go in the upper left corner onto your profile icon right here. Once you're here, this menu will load. Now here you can see some information about your account, but because we want to close our account, we would need to click on the Accounts section right here. On the Account section, you have more detailed information about your account, and also if you take a look at the last option right here, it says that you can close your account. So let's go ahead and select the Close Your Account option. Once you're here, Revolut will ask you a few questions before you close your account so they can improve their product. So here they say it doesn't cost anything to keep your standard account open, and opening another account could take some time. So just go ahead and click Close Account. Then they say that all rewards and rev points that you have gathered in the past will be cancelled with your account. So if you're alright with that, go ahead and click Close Account again. So on the last step, they tell you what you need to do before you can actually close your account. So you would need to sell all of your investments that you have, then you would need to withdraw all the funds that you have on your Revolut account, and then if you also have a Revolut X account, you would need to withdraw funds from that account. Now keep in mind, if you have a Revolut X account, once you close your Revolut account, the Revolut X account will be closed also because it's connected to the original Revolut account. So once you do all of this, you will be able to go back through the process that we just went to, and here there will be a button allowing you to close your Revolut account. So that's guys how you can permanently close your Revolut account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.